Hello guys, it's me Rodolfo. I'm gonna show you guys the new project. Yamaha 2011 Yamaha FZ6R black. So when you turn the ignition, okay, was not priming the pump. So I removed the tank, remove the air filter. The air filter looks good, but I think I'm gonna replace it also. And the fairing looks really good, but just a little bit of scuff here. And I'm gonna get a quote for the fairing. I think I'm gonna replace the fairing. Anyways, not priming the pump. Look at the collectors. Nice and clean, nice and clean. Love it. So I remove the tank, remove the fuel pump. I test the pump and the pump was dead. Okay. How you remove the pump? When you remove the pump and you go test the pump, okay, that's the pump. So see here the connector here has positive and negative. So you just get the battery because it's 12 volts, right? And you click positive and negative, try on the battery and should spin. And was not spinning. So I figured that the pump was dead. This I disassembled the pump. Okay. I'm gonna reassemble to try. I'm gonna reassemble the pump later to try to sell the parts. Because I got another pump to put it in. But first of all, I'm gonna clean inside of the fuel tank before. It's not dirty, nothing. I just saw some dust. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe it down nice before I put the new tank, the other fuel pump, because I got on eBay, use it. Okay, so I'm gonna clean it, the inside of the tank as much as possible. It's not bad at all. Let me get a flashlight to show you guys. But since I'm installing this other pump, I want to make it nice. Let me put this on. Like a doctor, but it's not a human patient. It's the motorcycle patient. So not bad, the tank inside. Not bad. Can you guys see it? Right? Not bad, everything's nice. No rust, nothing. Just gonna wipe it down. Remove any dust. And then start the new. Okay guys, I already installed the new pump. Very easy. I didn't have time to record because it was fast. You slide the pump in. 1 second. So you slide it in. I took a picture of the position of the metal ring, okay, to put on the same place, the same position. So 6 bolts, easy. I just put it on the bike, okay, didn't bolt nothing yet, just put it on, and let's see if that was the problem. I already put gasoline, okay, so let's see if you can hear the prime. Yeah! Again, one more time. a prime. So it's gonna start one more time. Let's see. Oops. Working! That's good. It's good. I'm not gonna rush now. Now that I know it's really good, I'm gonna put more gas, okay? I have a little thing to clean the injectors. I'm gonna mix on the gas. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna order the air filter, new air filter. Put it on. The carbs thing is really good. So on that, I'm going just to, it's 4,000 miles, the bike, brand new. So let's see here. Odometer. 8,000 miles. 8,300. So I'm gonna change the spark plugs. So I'm not gonna put the tank back. I'm gonna fill the gas. I'm gonna lift the tank. I'm going to remove the air box, change the spark plugs. Then I'm gonna put new spark plugs, new filter, and I'm gonna order right now. And I'm gonna show you guys doing the air filter, okay? Well, because I started the bike inside of the garage, I'm gonna let the air flow there, wash my hands, do some cleaning, very happy.